Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Endra nkomo bi ekoso between your fellow YouTuber Oheneba Media and Bishop Obinim. Say Oheneba Media friend no Emma Obinim ekasa because yeni ayehu ensemo aba Kennedy Japan ensemo waba beka afa Obinim ho. Now let me say something. Kennedy Japan, aside the sexual stuff about can ever will be him hono, he also said some really incriminating things. A bit to me, ama will be him wakwa jina court. And some be and say Kennedy Japan say will be him a guest house mienu bako ewa Accra bako ewu Kumasi. Na sa guest house no taxes bia so a se nanka will be him wotia ema Ghana Revenue Authority no. Wobi nim wuntua sa taxes no nti na bibi say no ebetumi edi wobi nim akwa jina court ana ebetumi ama emra eni wobi nim edi na sa asama Kennedy Japan kan na nso ho a wo wie ye ena wosanso ka se wokọ obi nim ni fie a light a wo yusu eye illegal connection ena waye ye nia nso yehu obi nim ni fie se ne eso wo blue house wo green house wo gold house pink house a honso ena ni 2 TV stations wo omo ebo fie ho nti Kennedy Japan kan say wo use illegal connection na tre say asem na ye ne kra TV stations na wo ho kra no ye illegal lights ena tre say wo mo e broadcasting ye ni TV stations so broadcasting light ebe use enya asem ketwa nti ano so ya asem bia ebetumi ama ECG eni wo binim ana ECG wo mo hwem no mo hu ne say ye ne kra ebetumi ama ECG edibo binim akwa akogina court. Now aside this crown previously Kennedy Japan emayeti ase say wo binim ene ni junior worker ana ne worker bi enya asem no obinim sheda kofa logo of Ghana Police illegally ena wo de ball picture so I will declare that person as wanted and also ya asema ebetumi ama police for achi wo binim na wo mo de wo binim akwa akogina court. And Kennedy Japan said, say aside say wo expose will be him no, will be making sure say emra any will be him ebedi. Enti no na e was say yebisa say obi nim ensem we ni Kennedy Japan aka fa ho no. Likely say ne crack say what the assembly be kwa kogina court and na say ne wo kan bedu ko bidie a GR4 ate on it no e dia won so wo dia waka na say GR4 be ate on it no mo hwe say ne krebu nti a taxes a ye betumi de wo akwa kogina court nti wo obi nim court no e die e na wo ya afa ho e na obi nim say oh ono de wa prepare ni ho wo si ye mbra Kennedy Japan sha say wo ka sansem na trese wo no de wo man ne lawyer enya nti ase say Kennedy Japan e kasa sei e betumi aba ne say nkrofo yi ebe hwa asem ne mu afi se asem ne ye ne kre nti on be ye so wo mo de yen kwa kogina court nti trese wo no de wa prepare bibia he is ready to meet in court over asem wa Kennedy Japan e de ato ne so no enya asem ema no because nipa de ye de asem to so na wonim se wundi bone a ye ka court asem a wunsuro da it was say I am ready for any institution that will invite me for any enquiry. Not just a one police for a friend why am why say wo beko wa boaboa ne ho say police for friend wo beko GR4 a friend and then I'll make him wadwen aba bibi so especially on the Ghana Revenue Authority in Sensem no GR4 Ghana Revenue Authority wo mo de na air court over there Kennedy Japan air can say won't ya taxes for the guest house or say oh no why ready so obeko nti BN94 say your court crowd won no obi nim no why ready so obeden obeko ensemo a osofu obi no mode tudwa no was say I will gladly go with all my receipts and documents to defend myself. was it one no documents any nyama wo ho a wo betumi e dey defend ne ho ati ase wo betumi e dey defend no nti ye friend na le kra wo beko now let me pull your mind back. Minim say Ghana for mobile kaya. Around July 2019, something happened, and then I have say Melodies TV. Samo Kaipa we reported on that story. July 16th, 2019. Yeah, the story be Bremo say Obi nim at the GRA for Akko Court. Now some we see here and say GRA Ghana Revenue Authority. Womo Emma ye blocky will be nim nisika bi ewo Fidelity Bank because na yesi will be nim entia payment on a year rent taxes bia na ke wose will be nim otua a wontua ye nti Ghana Revenue Authority e draw letter e come bank a wo munim say you be nim ne bank which is Fidelity Bank emma will be nim ne bank account no ye freeze no it will be nim ye say wo kwa yiska e wo ne bank and I catch and said that be untumi yiska na wo bank account say ni ena esi ena wo bi nim ko ye wo ko bi say mu say Ghana Revenue Authority wo mo say wo bi nim edeka taxes to the tune of 769,095 na to say wo bi nim over 7 billion ni yo say odeka over 7 billion enu hunti na ya blocking isika ewo eye bank. Inti what happened? They say Obi nim e drag GRA to court. Inti enda me ne oka say asamo akede de Japan can say Obi nim taxes bi wo ho a wontua ye no. It's not a new story. Last year I reported that story to you, and that matter, as far as we know, is still in court. Inti no say ye ka say GRA for esanso be ba asem ni mu asanso abetwe Obi nim akokota. Unless it be a different case. But case Kennedy Japan Air Castle will be niming to taxes, no Obama, ye de Yachi Obi Nima to manage the Obi Nima court no. Maybe Kennedy Japan doesn't know this, but Assam no Obi Nim at the GRA for Akko Court did that. And it is a story, you people can check it out. So they could Google not type it. Obi Nim drags GRA to court. Obi who's a story no a baba bonting. So Obi Nim at the GRA for Akko Court over the bank account Sikibia ye then you block here. And no your friend no garnishing. Before we use emano garnishing. Into no I know you are someone at that hole. And you know let's continue with the story. The Obi Nim Eka Muntie was say I won't respond to anything about sleeping with any lady. Not to say a man can the Japan Eka say one no any more than a dear. Was say one responding. All I can say is since I got married to my wife, I have cheated on her, and since she loves me, that's why she's still with me. If she's tired and wants to go, she can go and get married to another person. I will also get married. Inti asema will be nim Eka no. Say ono de ne kra wo beka ene say efrim bra wo ware ne yere Florence obi nim ne de. Wo ka se won fa Florence obi nim echi da na wo no obi nim no. Wondi ne kra. Ne kra wa fa Florence obi nim echi da. But Florence obi nim e de che no e ma ende wo mo eguso eti aware mu. Na de Kennedy Japan ha kan ni na no se Florence obi nim wo ye na adwe se wo jai ono obi nim na enya hwe o jai ni wi a ono Florence obi nim betumi akope wo bi foforo aware no wo no obi nim nso wo benya wo bi ayeden aware no nti asemo a wo bi nim e de atodwa no. So obi nim says he's ready for courts, he's ready for police, BNI, Uroko, anywhere Kennedy Japan wants to send the matter, he's ready. Let's wait and see. Kennedy Japan the crack what they are sending ebekwa dying police for him because tie. O dear yenka Kennedy Japan mayeti as say, and people are starting to raise this comment, or people are starting to read things like this. Kennedy Japan mayeti as say wo ko hu IGP na IGP buefu. Ah wo ko hu IGP no o ma IGP ti as say wo bi nim e the fake logo ato again so obi so I will declare Nipakono wanted. Up till now, we've not heard anything from that. Kene Japan Maeti, I think it was 2-3 weeks ago. And I want my I said IGP I just said Yebema Yakochi will be him. Up to now, we've not heard anything from that. I just don't want this to be one of those things that Kennedy Japan will just come out and talk about the people and then assemble Nkonko do baby, because now people are getting worried. Obia frame ya assassin no obia can say Kennedy Japan there even Biscuit na prempe crash assess work cancer assem no. Second Japan sorry a wakan sem fan crofo ho a but bon say later police for no ntumi nya hwe Kennedy Japan beka say we die mema police for na che no police for na nche na mo se samedin munye se ba ne ni na echi ebedru no na police for no Nipakono enam ho free. Si mon try mo adwo comment box me tie for me da say